How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands permanently and naturally in 3 minutes. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise is going to be extensions. So that's 20, keep going. $50, keep going. $100, perfect. High repetitions. We're going to take a quick little break. I'm going to come back to the claw stretch. So get your hands, squeeze really tight, hold for 20 seconds. Keep squeezing, keep squeezing. Okay, no break, curls. That's 30, keep going. $50, keep going. $80. Perfect, 100 reps. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.